Hello everyone, this is a brand new video from MerixStudio. Today we will be discussing the topics around user experience. User experience is one of the most often confused definitions in the world of business relationships and IT. Together with me is Maria Borowy.
Hello.
Hi Maria. Maria has over 10 years of experience in user experience design. Today she will discuss with me all the topics around and I hope introduce us briefly to what actually is user experience. So first of all, Maria, I believe that you would have to explain us what is the approach called user-centered design.
Yeah, the user-centered design is an approach in product development in which our user is in main focus. It means that if you build a new product, new business, the first thing you should do is to find out what your future users will or now need, what are their problems to be solved. And based on that, you can build a product that really corresponds with those needs, and people eventually will use it and will pay it. So your business will be working.
Okay. Do you believe that every product needs to be designed individually?
Yes,
okay.
And I will explain you why. So each product, even if you copy something or you build product that already exists on the market, it's always in a different environment. So it's different country, sometimes different users will use it, sometimes it's different field, and of course sometimes different regulations, and even if the product already exists on the market, you will launch it in a different time. So those all factors needs to be analyzed before you build your product.
Okay, so these are different situations, but there are also different definitions, or correct me if I'm wrong, because very often I meet a situation where user experience is confused with user interface.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, it's many times those two definitions are not understood correctly.
Okay. Okay, so what is the difference?
Yeah, so the difference, UI design is something that is a part of UX design. UI means user interface design.
Okay.
This is a graphic design. UX is a wider, broader term. So graphic design is a part of UX. But apart from graphic design, in UX you have also architecture of information, navigation, and whole analysis done before you start to draw your first mock-up. So if you have just done UI, your product will look probably beautiful, but it's like a poster. You can show it, you can display it on your computer, and it will really present beautifully on your desk. But if you want to build a site that will earn money, that has certain goals, such as sell products, you need to combine usability with graphic design.
Okay, so user interface needs to be placed in a specific context.
Yes.
And what if user interface has no context?
Oh, I can show you. This is what you get. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's only so if you just use a graphic as a paint, you will get just lipstick on a pig.
Okay.
Sorry.
Lipstick on a pig. This is tough. I must admit. Okay. There's this, because we're talking about the context, about the broader definition, something beyond just the user interface and so on. It happens very often that young entrepreneurs, founders, basically small businesses which seek for funding, for investment, they try to find a way to save some money. And one of the ideas is, hey, let's save money on the user experience design. What is your opinion about it?
Well, I strongly disagree with that approach.
Okay.
And that is because the UX, in my opinion, and not only my opinion, UX is a foundation of the product. So you need this solid analysis and solid preparation before you build something. Without it, you will just have product that might have many, let's say, holes inside, like usability problems. People probably don't know how to use it, and you lose money. Of course, you can develop some changes after the product is developed, but it's also something that is not so solid as things that you could do before. So in most cases, such products are not succeed, and or sometimes they are demolished and built from scratch. So I think that without good UX analysis and UX job before the development, you will waste your money.
Okay, no matter in what kind of business do you work, you're always supposed to perform at least a minor analysis of the market.
Yes.
And user experience is a part of the process.
Yeah.
So no matter what you're trying to do, you always have to do it one way or another. You need to gather the data. So that's why the user experience is so important.
Yes.
So it's definitely the last thing that you'd like to do in terms of saving money.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Dear followers, dear watchers, we really hope that this video introduced you briefly to the definition of the user experience. We hope to come back to you soon with new materials. We're happy to hear your feedback. So stay tuned. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.